Hello everyone, this is Arif Mohammad Khan from Java Technology Center. I am going to discuss about composite pattern. Composite, as the name is suggesting, that is a group. It is used whenever we require to create a group of object in similar way as a single object we are doing. It basically, composite pattern is basically compose object in terms of tree structure, tree representation, that is hierarchy. Here I have taken one example of this composite design pattern, that is contain the group of objects in a organization in the hierarchy of the employees. One is the CEO, CTO, director, MD, then come to project managers, technical architects, solution architects, TLs, TM members, junior engineers, engineers, and in finance there are a lot of departments are available. So composite pattern comes under category of structural design pattern because it represents the object structure, object hierarchy, or a group of object hierarchy, so that it is called composite, that is group. Now I have taken one example of it, that is employee. I have name, department, salary, and list of subordinate. Okay, create, getter, and setter. ToString method, as you know, that is the object class method which is return the strings. Coming to the point, composite design pattern, employee, CEO, new employee John, CEO 30,000. I have taken name, department, or salary. Head of the sale department Robert, head sale $2,000. Employee head marketing, new employee head marketing 2000. Laura, this. Now CEO dot add head sale, CEO dot add head marketing, head sale dot add sales executive. That means here I am compositing. I am grouping the object of below hierarchy to the above hierarchy. That means I am inserting head sales object to the CEO, head marketing object to CEO, chief executive officer. So this is how composite pattern works. It's very simple pattern and but very useful pattern, because in hierarchy why we require this pattern, because if you are going to design a structure, if you are going to design a system in such a way that there are a lot of hierarchy are available for organization, for any organization to end customers, then you must require to utilize the composite pattern, because it is very useful and it is very simple. Thank you for watching it.